is to understand technique, you have to understand how to do everything through the split weight position. So I created this drill for you for forward and back. And it's very easy to follow. So stay like this, collect your feet. So first you have to understand everything you do, you have to get into split position first, so you get more continuous. So tummy in, chest forward, knee back. Okay, now from here, when we're stepping back, only get used to send your leg back and put your heel down without changing the hip. Keep your hip on the left. Let's say now, if I stay like this, my hip is on the left. When I step back, my hip stay here. Don't send your hip back, okay? So this is fundamental, okay, like this. And, so as you said, and just the leg with the heel down. And heel down with the leg. Now from here, put your hands like this. Imagine like you push from something and feel how your hip changes from one side to another. It's called weight maneuver, and that's your weight coming. So most of the mistake happens that people step with the weight change at the same time. It has to be always step, split weight, complete your weight. Now collect your leg under your body for now, and we'll do exactly the same for the floor. The same here. You have and step, split weight, two heels down, and now here, when you move forward, imagine like you pull something forward and you send your hip forward and maneuvering your weight forward without sliding the back leg. And now collect your foot. And we'll do this drill as an exercise. Step, maneuver your weight, collect, settle. Step, maneuver your weight, collect. Step, maneuver your weight, collect. And step, maneuver your weight, collect. Now do exactly the same on the other leg. This way. And we go back. Step, maneuver weight, collect. And step, maneuver weight, collect. And step, maneuver weight, collect. And step, maneuver weight, collect. So everything you do has that split weight position. So if you take a look at the basic step of rumba, you go step, then you have maneuver, and step, maneuvering your weight, the same side, and step, then maneuvering over, and step, then you have maneuver over, step, maneuver over, step, and it's very much the skill, how you time, how you play with your body weight. People who don't understand this, they're doing normally like this. They use natural weight. Natural weight means my weight and leg move same time, like this. And then you can add a little bit hip, but it will never look as good as you split your weight and then maneuvering. Split, maneuvering. Split, maneuver, maneuver. Split weight, maneuver. Split, maneuver. Split, maneuver, maneuver. So in a way, you have to learn not to send your weight too fast over the leg. Even though your body will be projected over the leg. See my body projected, but it's not over. Like you don't want to be here. You don't want to be over the leg right away. Because then you have no room to continue. Split weight, continue, split weight, continue. That's why, for example, when we dance to demonstrate this step, like opening out, let's say here, see we're in split weight. Most of people, they're already here. It's already wrong. Split weight. Now, as I continue my way warm, split weight, continue, split weight, continue. Here, this is a hip twist delay walk, and split weight, and here, split weight, you see here, and then continue, 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 and walk, and walk, and walk. So it's ability to always divide your weight, and then continue and move. Yes, and also understanding of the split weight will help you to learn how to do pivots, for example, how to do pivot. So this is my split weight. What most of people they do, they go over the leg, then they do pivoting, and then now they fall back. That's not recommended. So what we're gonna do, split weight, and now because you did split weight, you're gonna do your pivot as you complete your weight. So now at the end of your pivot, you're in perfect weight. Instead of doing this, like going over the leg right away, and now you pivot, and now you feel backward. So split weight will give you a great balance. So I'm split balance, and as I'm pivoting, I'm on perfect balance. And then, for example, I want to go back, split weight, and I'll say I want to do hip circle just because I want to. I have real room for this. Now I want to go forward, I go split weight. So just like very little click, and then I continue. Now for example, if you want to do like side step from here. So normally how people do, they go over the leg, then now I want to do action, and now it feels too much energy here. What we're gonna do, split weight. Now as we finish, we can do that twist, as we finish. Because once you're on the leg and you start twisting, your body already will fall. So the split weight will create you a lot of room to do any action. Let's say you want to do spot turn. So you have a split weight in this side position, and split weight, and split weight, and split weight. And this our numbers in rumba or cha-cha samba. It's that split weight position. So for example, this is a 4, and the rest, and 1, and complete. 2, and 30, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 30, and 4, or basic walk. And 2 is the heel down, no weight in. And 30, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 30, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 30, and 4, and 1, and 2. Like to do this hip circle, you have to definitely split your weight. Do you get it?